Make them love you forever and commit to you so fast that it is scary. Please be careful with this. Don't underestimate the power of this meditation. You will definitely see results scary fast. The more you do this, the easier and more powerful it will become. It will become so powerful that it becomes your default. Now close your eyes and let's begin. I am loving and love gets reciprocated to me. They feel a strong, natural desire to commit to me quickly. I am grateful for all the love I receive. They see me as a once-in-a-lifetime love. I deserve to be loved and cherished. They want to build something real with me. I am worthy of being loved and cherished. They are deeply loyal and consistent. They love everything about me, including my flaws. They enjoy spending time with me and cherishes our time together. They move mountains to be with me. I am grateful that I am loved and valued by such an amazing person. They know losing me is not an option. I am priceless. I am precious. I am appreciated. I am amazing. I am worthy. Everything goes my way all the time. I already have my desire. I already have my manifestation. Their love for me is increasing day by day. I can feel their love for me. They are so in love with me. They know I am irreplaceable. They are miserable without me. They realize that we belong together. They realize that we are a perfect match. They realize that we are meant to be. They know I am the best they will ever have. They want us back together. They come back to me now. They are crawling back to me, begging to be with me again. They are begging on their hands and knees for my forgiveness. They tell me they are sorry now. They apologize to me. They beg to be with me now. They beg to have another chance with me. They treat me better now. They are changing their ways for me now. They are a better person for me now. They are treating me how I deserve now. They are fighting for our relationship now. They need me now. They are begging for my attention now. They are begging for my love now. They desire me more than anything now. They will love me forever now. Type, they will love me forever to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.